Magandang buhay mga kamisi. So ayan, another vlog na naman tayo, another travel vlog. Although sa ano lang naman kami, kalapit town lang naman kami pupunta. And nandito kami sa ngayon sa petrol station kasi nagpagas si Mr. dahil mauubusan na kami ng gas. And malapit na rin naman kami sa pupuntahan namin. Bali nasa 40 minutes lang naman yung ano. And mamaya is bibisitahin din kasi namin yung aking mother-in-law kasi nag-birthday siya last Thursday, hindi namin naibigay ang aming regalo, kaya ayun, pupunta kami para ibigay. Konti ano lang naman to, bale simple gift lang naman para sa kanya. And also magagala din kami dun sa town dahil ayun, parehas kaming day off ni Mr. Thankfully after kong 7 days straight mga kamisis, as in kahapon, ngayon at kahapon yung day off ko. And ayun, kahapon is talaga nagpahinga lang ako, natulog ako, although naglaba din ako, nagluto, ganyan. And then ngayon is pinlan talaga namin na lalabas kami para naman makalanghap kami ng summer wind. Ano daw? And then yun nga, maganda yung araw mga kamisis, sobrang ganda. Hindi siya papundo-pundo siya, pero ano, okay naman, maganda naman. So ayan, mag-aano kami. Ayan, binilan ako ni Mr. ng cafe latte. Tada! So ayan, let's go! So ayan mga kamisis, nandito kami sa butcher. Titingin kami ng hot food, kung meron silang hot food. Yan o, sari-saring mga meats. So ayun mga kamisis, ito na ang aming late lunch. Roast pork ang nabili ko. And then my pork scratching. Scratching, is that right? Scratching pork, scratching sa ibabaw. And then ayan, lechong baboy na may apple sauce. Ang dami. You wanna try this?
No.
Ang kay Mr. ay sausage sandwich.
You get a lot in that, don't you?
Yeah. What more if you get the baguette? Oh, because it's more expensive, the baguette, isn't it? But I'm not gonna finish that if I get that. I think that's for both of us. Oh my god.
Good.
It's so yummy. But very messy.
Did you tell them that it's an actual butcher's that we got?
Yeah, it's an actual butcher mga kamisis. Yeah, I saw them the meats earlier. I showed them the meats and stuff. Yeah. It's so good. You're gonna be full before we look around. So yun mga kamisis, nandito na kami sa Saturday market. Oh my god. Ayan. Oh, what is that? Pagkain ng... Oh, for dogs. So ayan oh, mga pagkain ng aso, dog treats. So ayan.
Pleased to see you behind me. I thought I'd look behind and you'd be all the way back there.
So ayan, sobrang dami ng mga ano, para itong mga pang palengke ba. May mga bra doon sa banda doon. Ayan mga pieces, mukha siyang ano, Pilipinas. Meron dito sa labas ang sila nagtitinda. Ayan, oh, tingnan nyo. Mga sari-sari ding mga paninda tulad niyan, oh. That's cute.
That carpet behind us is the bloke selling fish, and he's
Is pupunta kami sa ano ni Mr. sa school ni Mr. before. Which way? This way? So yan, ang ganda ng panahon. Sunny and bit windy. So yeah, ito yung nilalakaran niya nung siya ay pumapasok sa school. Why is it secondary?
yeah.
Secondary high school mga kamisi sa atin.
I'm telling you now, don't you shut up.
So yan. Ito na ang kanyang, this is the gate where he goes. So ayan yung gate mga kamisis ng kanyang high school moment. So ayan mga kamisis. Dito naman daw yung lunch nila Mister noong sila ay pumapasok pa sa school. So dito nakaset up yung kanilang mga lunch. So yan. Ayan si Mister, oh. So ayan. This is not like so dito nila kinukuha yung mga pagkain mga kamisis, oh. Ayan, oh. May hot meals, tas main meals. So yan, ito yung pinaka-canteen nila. Yan, oh. Dine and dash. So ayan mga kamisis, one way of transportation pababa ang Cliff Railway. So bababa siya. Ano, one of the transportation, I said. One of the transportation. So yeah, it's going on that. Kung nakikita nyo yung road na yan, pababa siya dyan mga kamisis. And then paakyat dito sa, what do you call it? Low Town and High Town?
Yeah, that's low.
Low Town and High Town. So ayan mga kamisis.
More than you should.
What?
You know Melissa Montana,
Right.
my friend?
Yeah.
We used to go and sit up on that cliff.
That.
That red cliff at the top there, yeah. We used
That
to go
one?
and climb up and sit on the top of it. Yeah, and there's a little cave around there. We used to go and hang out in there.
Just the two of you.
Yeah.
That's your dating spot.
We weren't dating.
What is it then?
I don't know what you'd call it really. But we ended up calling it Gary.
Gary.
Yeah, we called that cliff Gary.
Gary Hill.
Yeah, I can't remember why.
Reminiscing his old memories.
TikTok.
No, I'm not. Yan, ang ganda mga kamisis. Ang ganda ng, yan yung view namin. Sa baba. It's nice. Kaya mga kamisis, nakauwi na kami. Bumili na lang ako, nag-take away kami ng
Not really.
counting, ano na lang, bumili na lang kami ng konting food na makakain namin from the chip shop. So, bumili kami ng scallops. Ayan. This is a buttered potato, a sliced potato na lalagyan nila ng butter. And then, piece of sausage. So, yan, tag-isa kami pareho. Kaya, it was a nice day out. Kaya, thank you for watching mga kamisis, and we'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye! Bye!
Yes, thank you viewers, bye.